Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Andade and I am excited to present my Future Ready Talent internship project, the Lifeline Hospital website. Today I am going to cover project idea, the purpose of application and how I use Microsoft Azure services to this project. The Lifeline Hospital website is designed to serve as a modern and eco-friendly platform for individuals seeking healthcare information. The goal is to minimize the gap between traditional healthcare communication and the expectation of today's people. Users can easily access information about hospital services and can schedule appointments and can chat with bot for any help they needed. Now let's dive into Azure services that powers to this project. On Microsoft Azure portal, you can see that I have used 4 to 5 services like App Service, Static Web App, Storage Service, Q&A Service and Virtual Network. In App Service is used for hosting the web application for scalable and reliable user experience. In Properties, you can see various things like web app, domain, networking. In Networking, I have integrated Virtual Network with my project. If I open this showing disconnect because I have already connected Virtual Network with my project. So it allows you to create secure connection between virtual network and local site. And after that, if we click on deployment slot, then here you can see that I have deployed my project in production slot and currently traffic is 100%. Let's go ahead with storage service. This is used for storing the data. Under this, a container is used for storing and managing component of website and for hosting it on static web service. It stores all component of your website. We can see here the assets and HTML pages. If we search here static web, then you can see it's enabled for now because I have deployed website on Azure portal by using static web service. Here it is the link of hosted website. Just copy it for now. Let's again go with Home tab, and if I click on Azure Bot. Azure Bot is under the language service and I have created the Q&A bot and also added the chit chat for getting well response to the customer who are interacting with bot. We can see here the profile of bot and also provided option to test the bot. So this is all about Azure services overview which I have used in my project. Let's paste this copied link in new tab. So this is our website. Here you can see there are 5 tabs. In Home tab, I have added the slider which contains some taglines related to hospital. Below that, we can see information related to main doctor, and after that some content which is related to hospital like video of hospital and some statistical numerical content. And at the bottom you can make appointment by filling your details here and they will reach out to you. Below this, I have added some certification and standard to make project realistic. In About section, I have added all information which is related to Lifeline Hospital like patient and bed count like that. Also we can see here the team of our doctors. And if we go to services, I listed what type of services Lifeline Hospital gives to patient and some special services like dental, lung disease, and we can also click here to book appointment. On contact page, the contact information is given to reach out to hospital. You can also drop message here. Below this, I have added the map for direction to the hospital. Let's move to Q&A bot tab. Here you can chat with bot and have a nice informative discussion. You can ask him any information related to hospital. I have added chit chat functionality to make it more friendly. So that's all about website. Let's move ahead with my GitHub page. I have created separate repository named as Lifeline, and under that I have added the HTML pages and assets of website. Also created readme file which contains all information related to project like introductory part, important links, overview, features, technologies which use, and also screenshots. I have tried to explain and add more and more in things which are related to projects. Added more screenshots to get friendly with my project and to get know what type of services of Microsoft Azure I have used to this project. At last, I would like to thank Future Ready Talent Platform, Microsoft Azure and partner associated with this internship for providing me such an amazing opportunity. I have learned a lot from this internship. Thank you.